Welcome to the video tutorial about how to use import and export commands in Road Alignment Plus. In road widening projects, utilities like electrical pole may have to be shifted. Before shifting, a report has to be prepared to indicate chainage and distance from alignment center. The import and export commands of Road Alignment Plus is useful for importing utilities and exporting utilities. You can also import right-of-way ROW distance. EXBT command. The EXBT command is used to export the distance of the utilities from the alignment. In the command line, run the EXBT command. Select the entities, blocks, and text to measure the distance from the alignment line. Click to provide an insertion point in the drawing. The table containing the distances of the selected entities, which includes the easting, northing, elevation, entity description, chainage, and distance, will be inserted at the insertion point as a table. An Excel file will also be generated with this information. IMBT command. The IMBT command is used to import text and blocks at a specified X and Y location. Run the IMBT command. Select the Excel file containing information about the entities. The data in the file must be in the following format: serial number, easting, northing, elevation, text or block name, chainage, distance. Type T to import an existing file from the temp folder, or else type S to import file from any other location. The points will be imported into the drawing as shown. IMBK command to import utilities along the alignment. Run the IMBK command. To import utilities blocks along alignment, select the alignment line and then select the file containing entities information. The data in the file should be in the format chainage, left or right distance, and block name. The blocks will be imported along the alignment. IMBX command. IMBX command to import text of utilities along alignment. Run the IMBX command. To import utilities text along alignment, select the alignment line and then import the file containing entities information. The data in the file should be in the format chainage, left or right distance, and block name. The text will be imported along the alignment as shown. IMOF command. The IMOF command to import ROW right-of-way distance. Run the IMOF command to import ROW distance. Select the alignment line and then import the file containing entities information. The data in the file should be in the format chainage, left distance, right distance. The ROW distance will be imported into the drawing. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to do alignment modification.